Hey G12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool one right here. And basically what this product right here is a toilet wand from the brand right here. And it comes with a refill. If you see right here, they mentioned how it actually comes with 36 of these refills and give you guys one of the actual handles. And right here is what the product looks like. So for this product right here, it actually comes in many different sets. So some of them only come with refills, some of them come with a handle, and some of them even have the option for you guys to have like a holder for the actual product. But for this set right here, it includes the actual handle and the refills. So I've been using the toilet wand for a really long time now. It's been working really well. So well to the point that when I actually have stains on my toilet bowl, it's so effective when you guys use this to actually clean your toilet bowl. That is why I purchased more of these refills to use. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it for the refill option. So I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So there's one right here, two right here, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for each one of those packs right here, they have 6 of them. So 6 times 6 is 36. And last but not least, we do have the wand right here. And that is everything that's included in this set right here. So the way how you guys use this part right here is actually very simple. All you gotta do is open one of these right here. And you guys want to stick this onto the top part right here. And then once you guys do that, you can definitely use this to actually clean your toilet bowl. And once you guys are done cleaning your toilet bowl, you guys can pull the switch right here to actually let it go. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. So that is everything that's on the part right here. Let me just go set this up to show you guys how to use it first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the toilet wand. And it comes with this little holder. So once you guys open up, you can take out the wand. And all you guys need to do is just insert it right here. And once you guys got one of them locked in, you can definitely start using it. And on the wand right here, they do give you guys a pusher option. So that way you can release it once you guys are done using it. So you see on the toilet bowl right here, we do have some stain marks. So what you want to do first is get some water on here. Make sure it's wet. And start scrubbing it. So that way you can get rid of any of the stain marks on here. If you see, once we start using it, all the stain marks on here definitely gets off. So that way you guys know the product definitely does work. And for one of these right here should be more than enough for you guys to clean your toilet bowl. So you don't want to waste it, so you're going to use all of it on your toilet bowl before you guys dump it. Make sure to clean off any of the stain marks if there is any left. Alright, so once you guys are done, you guys can rinse it and scrub it one more time. And then throw this away. Alright, so scrub it one more time so we don't waste it. Make sure it's fully clean before you guys toss it away. And I usually use this toilet wand to clean like the toilet probably every like 3 weeks or so, depending on how bad the toilet bowl is on here. But if you see when I actually use it, it definitely cleans up all the stains on here. So that way I actually have a clean toilet each time to use it. Alright, so once you guys are done, you guys can toss it away. So the way how you guys toss it is very simple. You guys want to push this button right here. So let's push this button right here. It comes out really easily. You just want to rinse this part right here to make sure it's clean once you guys are done using it. Alright, so once you guys finish rinsing it, you guys can put it back. So you just want to insert it back inside right here. Close the lid. And that's all set and ready to use it again next time. So very simple and very easy to use, if you can see right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you can see, we actually use the product to clean our toilet bowl. It definitely get rid of all the stain that's on there. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually work or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to maintain your toilet bowl and make sure it's clean. And if you guys don't like using like the toilet brush to actually clean it, you can definitely use this one instead. So it works so much better, especially with the material that they have on here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.